JetBlue 1601, contact departure 12475. Have a good day.
2475, JetBlue 1601.
JetBlue 1601, direct Robbinsville 17000.
Center, JetBlue 1601, we're at a 6.5, climb at 900,000, direct Robbinsville.
1601, direct Robbinsville 17.
And we're going to like to stay at 900,000 right now, we're working an issue.
JetBlue 1601, roger.
Alright, direct Robbinsville, 900,000, JetBlue 1601.
JetBlue 1601, about how much longer do you want to stay down?
Alright, we're on the radio with them right now. We'll give you an update here in just a minute.
Alright, I'm going to have to turn you because you're going to be going into the LaGuardia arrivals airspace here soon, so in the next couple of miles expect a vector.
Okay.
JetBlue 1601, turn left heading 040.
040, JetBlue 1601.
JetBlue 1601, is this a pressurization problem?
It's affirmative.
Roger.
New York, JetBlue 1601.
JetBlue 1601, go ahead.
Yeah, unfortunately we're going to have to return back to Kennedy. I just need a couple of minutes to run a couple of checklists here. Do you want us to just keep vectoring us or put us in a hold somewhere?
Yeah, I'll keep turning you around here, and you okay to stay at 9?
Yeah, that's fine. The front 9 works perfect. Okay, thanks.
JetBlue 1601, you're not declaring an emergency, are you?
Not at this time, no, sir.
Okay.
And approach JetBlue 1601. We're ready to head to Kennedy, and we're going to declare an emergency at this time for the overweight landing, and we're going to request 4 left.
All right, stand by. JetBlue 1601, you're cleared to JFK via radar vectors, turn right heading 130, maintain 900,000.
All right, heading 130, 900,000, JetBlue 1601.
You said 4 left, right?
That's affirmative.
Okay. JetBlue 1601, contact New York approach 128.12.
2812, JetBlue 1601. Approach, good afternoon, JetBlue 1601, level 900,000, 130 heading.
1601, make it to maintain 4,000, ILS 4 left when you're able, souls and fuel on board.
All right, down to 4,000 feet. We're currently at 29.5 on the fuel. 209 souls on board.
209 souls, yes?
That's perfect.
Right, and the emergency is for the overweight. You just couldn't pressurize, is that correct?
That's affirmative.
Roger that. Maintain 4,000 speed, 210 or greater, you're describing up into 3026.
All right, down to 4,000, 210 or greater, 3026 on the meter, JetBlue 1601.
JetBlue 1601, information's Fox. If you don't have it, I can read it.
Yeah, go ahead for JetBlue 1601.
The 1601, 1651 Zulu, wind 030, 12 gust 19. Visibility 10, few clouds, 7,500 feet, 25,000, and temperature 21, dew point 2. Altimeter 3026, landing departing for left, for right.
All right, we got it. Thank you, JetBlue for 1601.
1601, head 090. 1601, turn left 090.
Left turn 090, 1601.
Blue 520, descend and maintain 8,000.
8,520.
49 heavy heading 260.
Heading 260 to the 49 heavy.
Perkins 45 heavy heading 290, New York approach 132.4.
290 heading 132.4, good day.
1601, turn left 310, maintain 4,000.
Heading 310 down to 4,000, JetBlue 1601.
You're going to be able to taxi off the runway, you're going to be stopping momentarily.
We should be able to get off the runway.
Roger that. JetBlue 1601, heading 300, approach 132.4.
Alright, 32.4 for approach and 300, JetBlue 1601. Approach JetBlue 1601, 4,300 heading.
JetBlue 1601, air approach, thank you, and when able speed 210.
210, JetBlue 1601.